Hello and welcome to the Learn with me. Today we will learn how to read the weather from the current satellite images. So for example, suppose you want to know the current weather, current situation near your country. So you can know that by using the satellite images. So let's go for the tutorial. Let's go for the live example. I'm just right clicking on the Chrome in new window. I'm just first typing in google.com and then I'm just typing in satellite images. Okay. Now look at this. There is one website, satellite.imd.government.in. So this is basically the government website, Indian government website. So if you want to see the weather related to India, you can refer this website. Just click on this satellite images. So I already zoom it actually. Now look at this. You can see the Indian subcontinent. You can also see the Africa. You can also see some other continents on this globe. So basically before 2 days or last day, there is a cyclone called as a Titli occurred in Bay of Bengal. So I have continuously seen that progression. That's when what I mean to say is that you can see at any time these satellite images and you can see the progression of any cyclone or rain forecast or cyclone forecast. You can forecast by your itself. There is no need to go to the other websites of weather to see how it is coming and where it is going. You can predict those possibilities by yourself only. So you can just use this website, satellite.imd.government.in. basically this is a government website, as I have said earlier. There is one more cyclone. You can see that in Arabian Sea heading towards the Oman right now. So in this way you can actually see the progression. We can also see that in Indian subcontinent, monsoon is the arrival of the rain. So basically it starts in June and ends in September. So if you see before June, in May, you can see some clouds here and you can see how it is going to propagate or position itself into Indian subcontinent. So this is really important tutorial. You can watch over it. You can watch over every day and you can zoom it. Look at just by pressing Ctrl plus. Now you can see the better picture of it. You can zoom it again. Now look at this. This cyclone Titli is almost dispersed. It has hit in Odisha a day before, and now it's becoming less strengthened. So this is the way you can see it, and you can also see. Look at this. This image is taken from the INSAT 3D. INSAT satellite basically they have used. Indian satellite, and you can see Indian Standard Time. This is the image taken from that satellite and valid to 11 to 11:27 am. So currently right now 12 pm is there. The time is 12 pm. This image is referring to hardly half an hour difference. So you can say that this is the current situation of our Indian subcontinent of weather. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like my tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel and share it